Hello, this is another time wasting project and it's going to be called Tunnel Vision. So I'm going to create a new project, call it Tunnel Vision. We're going to adjust the form here. We're going to set its back color to black. Set its window state to maximized. And show in taskbar false. Form border style, none. And always on top to true. Okay, I'm going to create an int called dimension. Assign 100 to it. Okay, and we're going to add a timer to the form now. Call it timer. Interval to 1 millisecond, enable it, and handle its tick event. Okay, and we're going to create a graphics path. We're going to add the entire rectangle of the form to the graphics path. So add rectangle. This.client rectangle, and we need to do this so that when we add our ellipse, our tunnel, to the graphics path, our tunnel will subtract from this rectangle. Add ellipse. This.cursor. We can use screen coordinates because the form is going to be expanded to the entire screen. Sorry, I'm doing this wrong. X, take away this, no, dimension divided by 2. Yeah, we're going to do the same thing for Y. The dimension is just going to account for Y and X. We need to specify the width and height of the ellipse. So dimension, and then we're going to assign to the region of the form. We can pass in our GP into the region constructor, and we're going to override the on key down event. If you decide to do this in the on mouse move event, the setting the region, it's going to not respond as nice as the timer, just because the on mouse move event raises along a timer and not every pixel that is moved. So protected, override on, key down. Okay, make a switch case. E.keycode. Case keys dot up. We want to increase dimension. And case keys dot down. We want to decrease dimension, and we're going to have to break as well. In case keys dot left, we want to decrease form opacity. That is a double, so we're going to minus equal 0.05. Is that a good value? Seems so. And keys.right, we want to increase form opacity. And of course we need a way to exit the application, so case keys.escape. I prefer application exit over this.close, just more readable. Break. There it is. So this is a tunnel vision. So you can press up to increase the tunnel. and you can hold down to decrease the tunnel size. You can also adjust the form's opacity using the left and right keys. That's pretty sweet. You may want to hide the cursor and provide different shapes to paint, so let's do that. Private int shape index is equal to 0. So what we want to do is we want to say if shape index is equal to 0, then paint this ellipse here. Else if shape index is equal to 1, then we may want to draw a rectangle. I'm going to have to create a new rectangle here. And else if shape index is equal to 2, then we're going to do something similar, except it's going to expand its width to the entire screen. So down in the width value here, we're just going to put this dot width. Okay, and we're going to write some simple cases here. Keys dot d1, then shape index equals 1, break. We're going to do the same thing for 2 and 3. Actually, this one's going to be 0. So we have 1, 2, and 0. Let's do that right now. So there's a rectangle. We can increase and decrease its size, like everything else. So it's not expanding to the width of the form like I want it to. So I'm gonna have to, oh, you know what I did? This has to be here, and that has to be there. Oh, there it is, and it's not really working too well. So the X positions should stay at 0. Very good. There we go. So it doesn't matter where the mouse is, it's going to do this.